So ligand will transfer to ion and ion will transfer to ligand. That is to be said ionization, isomerism. Another example, platinum Na3,4, here is Cl2. Isomers of this one, here is Br2, platinum Na3,4, here will be Br2 and here will be Cl2. So this is the ligand, this is the ion. Ion and ligand transfer from one to another, that is to be said ionization, isomerism. Nomenclature will what? Tetraamine dichlorido, platinum here. Oxidation number of platinum will be 4. Total 4 negative ion. So platinum will be 4 plus. You just count how many negative ion. Negative will be the opposite oxidation number of metal. So here the oxidation number of platinum will be 4. Nomenclature again I am repeating. Tetraamine dichlorido, platinum 4, bromide. Tetraamine dibromido, platinum 4, chloride. Here is chloride, here is bromide. Here is bromido, here is chloride. So this is to be said ionization, isomerism. Just simple, you try to remember, ion will convert it to ligand and ligand will convert into ion. Very simple, very easy. Now we are going to discuss about hydration isomerism. What is hydration isomerism? Hydration isomerism. Proportion by weight in compound will be same. Color change and precipitates of AgCl will available. This is the main topic of this hydration isomerism. Hydration isomerism explain that ligand will be water and water ligand will release when it react with H2SO4 and precipitates will be available related to how many water molecule is released from the ligand. As for example, we are having Cr H2O6 here is Cl3. This is the violet color. Compound is what? Compound is Cr6H2O, Cl3. This is the total compound, and this compound will react with H2SO4 and number of water molecule will release, and precipitates of AgCl, Cl I am writing N here, number of Cl will be decided by how many water molecule is released as a ligand from complex compound. So we are having violet color when it react with H2SO4, then 3 molecules of AgCl will obtain and violet color will obtain. It proves that no water molecule is released from the ligand. As a ligand, there are 6 water molecule, and as a ion there are 3 chloride molecule. When it is reacting with H2SO4 and there is the presence of silver, silver will react with 3 chlorine, and we are having 3 AgCl molecule. It proves that no water molecule is released. Now this second isomer, this is the compound, and this compound having 3 isomers. When color is changed, it proves that isomer is obtained. Second example, copper H2O5, Cl, Cl2 and H2O. One molecule of water is released and one chloride ion is converted into ligand. So we are having 2Cl will react with Ag, and we are having 2 AgCl, and we are having the gray green color. Third one, Cr H2O4, Cl2, Cl2H2O, and we are having precipitates in H2SO4, one AgCl molecule, then it is having green color. So total number of molecule water chloride is common, means proportion by weight is common. 3Cl 6H2O 1 Cr, 3Cl 6H2O 1 Cr, 3Cl 6H2O 1 Cr. Proportion by weight is common. When it is poured into H2SO4 solution, in H2SO4 solution silver is already present. If chloride ion is H2O molecule is released, then number of chloride ion will convert into ligand, and we are having the precipitates of AgCl related to how many chloride ion outside present in square bracket. Here are 3 chloride ion present in square bracket, so we are having 3 AgCl molecule. Here are 2 chloride ion present, we are having 2 AgCl molecule precipitates, and here is only 1 Cl chloride ion present. It means ion will react with silver. 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 Ligand will not react with silver. Precipitates of silver chloride will available, but color changed. It proves that the proportion by weights of complex compound is same. Why color changed? Color change proves that they are isomers of one another. This compound having 3 isomer, 1, 2, 3, 3 different color obtained. It proves that they are the isomers of one another. So very simple, very easy, very interesting topic we have discussed. It is little bit different than textbook, but this is very simply explained. So if you read textbook and watch video, this will be very easy for you. So what we have studied today: coordination compound, coordination isomerism, ligand transfer to one complex compound having two different charge, then ionization isomerism, ion will convert into ligand, ligand will convert into ion, and then hydration isomerism means water molecule released and precipitates of AgCl obtained, and color will change, that the isomers of each other. So very interesting, very easy topic we have discussed. Kindly revise this video lecture 2 times, 3 times, and send me homework 1 time. Thank you very much.